Our world is changing.
Engineering is changing.
Society is changing.
We are changing.
We're here to inspire,
Inform,
influence,
and change perceptions.
Demonstrating how important engineers and technicians are in our lives.
Championing achievements,
helping to create new technologies that enable us to thrive,
and inspiring future generations to make a difference.
Together, we discover new concepts by turning theory into practice.
create solutions to society's biggest challenges.
Share knowledge and expertise through our networks.
grow by developing new skills and capabilities.
Evolve and adapt for the future.
We are the IET.
Together, we are engineering a better world.